Hello children, good morning to you all. Hope you have understood English poem. I hope you enjoyed it really. Okay, how the poet's imagination is different from our looking at the things. Okay, so now we are into our social studies new lesson. Before going to the lesson, I would like to say something to you. See, the last 3 days, what did you enjoy? What did you experience? Cozy weather. You were unable to go out. You were not in a position to go out, play, or do something. It was very dull thing. Actually, we waited for the rain, but it rained and it became so cool. We were unable to go out everywhere. Where marshy land, full wet, roads are wet, water was flowing. So it caused a lot of inconvenience to us. Okay. So 3 days back, how was the weather? Very hot in the afternoon. It was cloudy for some days. Morning, for a longer time, it used to be cloudy. We did not see the sun at all. We did not feel the sun's light at all. But when it started, the day was rising. By afternoon, it used to be very hot. Understand? And it caused rainfall for 3 days. Some people say it is due to cyclone, but it is rainy season, it happens. And today you see, weather is sky is very clear. We don't have any raining symptoms. So, within 4 to 5 days, we experience different things. What it is? 3 days back, it was cloudy in the morning, clear in the afternoon, little cool in the night. And 3 days, last 3 days, we experienced rains, drizzling rain, not heavy rains. It is continuously raining day and night. So, after that, today weather is pleasant. Neither it is cloudy, nor it is raining, nor it is very cool. Understand? We like such weather. Understand? So, this is weather. It keeps on changing time to time, hour to hour. And recently I taught you a lesson in social studies about the great Himalayas. I spoke about the climate. Climate is very cool over there. Very cool, as we feel, more than as we feel in winter. So, in our lesson today, we are going to know the difference between the climate, weather and the climate. Weather and the climate. What is the difference between weather and the climate is our lesson. So, the title of our lesson is Weather versus Climate. Our lesson is Weather versus Climate. So, these changes in our life every day, what is weather, what is climate, both together we experience. But what is the difference, what is weather and what is climate is the thing. But first, only one thing I can say. Weather or climate, whatever you take, it is the condition of the atmosphere. Weather or climate, it is the condition of the atmosphere. Means how much humidity is there in the atmosphere, how much heat is there in the atmosphere, etc. All together it is called weather. What humidity, gases and water vapor all together make the climate. Understand? Or weather. So what slight difference we have in weather and climate is, weather, just now I told you, in 4 days, 4 different types of things we experienced. 3 days back, morning cloudy, afternoon hot, night cool. And the last 3 days, we experienced continuous rain day and night for 3 days. And today we are experiencing clear sky, pleasant weather, neither too hot nor too cold. So in this way, it is keeping on changing. It keeps on changing every day, every moment. Now it is clear and clean. Now when we are doing this lesson, if you go out and see, you can see the clear weather sky. But within 5 minutes, what happens we don't know. Within 5 minutes, clouds cover the sky and it can start raining also. So we don't know. This kind of change is called weather. Weather changes every minute, every moment. Understand? It is the change of atmosphere. So we can call weather hour to hour, and day to day changes or change in the atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The air surrounding our earth is atmosphere. So, what is weather? Just now I gave 3 examples of this 4-5 days. Every moment it changes, and every day also you see. Morning when you get up at 6 o'clock, do you feel hot sun? Do you feel darkness? Do you feel every day it raining? No. Do you have the sky cloudy? No. Pleasant weather, very cool. You feel it should continue for the whole day. Such a nice weather you will have. But as the day rises, sun rises up in the sky and you feel hot and the day becomes brighter. And as this morning cool, afternoon hot, and it may rain also sometimes. This way, every moment, every hour and every day, it keeps on changing. This every hour to hour and minute to minute or day to day change in the atmospheric condition is called weather. Then what is a climate? Climate is nothing but the average weather condition, average weather condition of a place. What is climate? Average weather condition of a place is called climate. What is this average weather condition? For example, we take into consideration, suppose it is Hyderabad. Hyderabad has hot and dry climate, we say. How do we decide that the Hyderabad has hot and dry climate? How do we decide it? What we do is, we will observe the climate of Hyderabad for many days, for months together. Understand? Then what we take into consideration, day to day's weather report. And what continues every day, that becomes and it remains the same throughout. Understand? Heat of the sun, dryness in the air, it continues for many days, commonly almost every day. Then we decide that Hyderabad has hot and dry climate. Okay. Or this is average. Suppose what is average? First you know the term, concept. Do you get same marks in all the subjects when you are writing a test after your annual result? Do you get same marks in all the subjects? You may be weak in maths, you are science, you get less marks. Generally children get less marks in maths, science and social studies. In Hindi you may get 98. In Telugu you may get 80, in English you get 75, maths you get 65, like this. Let me write. Telugu 80, Hindi 95, English 85 అనుకోండి, maths 75, science 60 and social studies 70. ఇలా మీకు మార్క్స్ వచ్చాయి. హౌ మెనీ సబ్జెక్ట్? 1 2 3 4 5 6 సబ్జెక్ట్స్. మనం ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేయాలన్నమాట. 80 + 95 175, 80 180, 260, 265, 335, 395, 395 plus 465. Total of this you got 465. Then what is your average marks? Ante average is total divided by number. Total divided by number. Total is 465. Number of subjects is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 465 కి 6 తో డివైడ్ చేయండి. అప్పుడు మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? 4 7s are 42. 45 will remain. Again 4 7s are 42. 3 5s are 50. So 77.5 is your average mark. 77.5 is your average mark. Means total we observe and we come to one conclusion which is common among all. It is called average. So we study the weather condition of a place. I am taking into consideration Hyderabad. That what happens? We study for 1 month. What remains the same throughout the month, we take into consideration. It is raining for 3 days in Hyderabad, but you can't say whole month it rains. Again it becomes dry and hot. This dryness and hotness of the air remains continuously forever. The which remains continuously forever, that is taken as average. So climate is nothing but the average of the weather condition is called climate. Understand? So what it tells, the weather climate of a place tells us about the seasons. In our country we enjoy 3 main seasons. Continuously for 4 months rainy season will be there. Either every day or now and then it keeps on raining. After that whole 4 months winter season. Slowly coldness in the weather goes on increasing. This coldness remains for 4 months. So 4 months climate will be cold. And next 4 months it will be very hot, very hot. Continuously the temperature in the atmosphere keeps on rising. In this way we have 3 different climates. For 4 months one type of climate we will have. So according to the climate, the food habits of the people also change. Understand? In India, as our country is divided into many physical divisions, every physical division has a different climate, and based on the climate of a place, the food habit of the people also changes. Understand? Clothing, food, and even housing, all these things change according to the climate of a place. For example, just now we studied about Jammu and Kashmir and so many other states. They are very cold places. There, people wear warm cloths made of wool, full cloths. They cover their body completely with clothes except face. And they want to keep themselves warm. They have kangri also, a pot with coal, with fire. Okay. If you do that in Hyderabad, do you bear it? తట్టుకోగలుగుతారా? ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర హాట్ అండ్ డ్రై క్లైమేట్ ఉంటుంది, ఊపిరాడట్లేదంటాం, స్వెట్టింగ్ ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు మనం వాళ్ళలాగా ఇక్కడ దాకా బట్టలు కింది దాకా బట్టలు వేసుకోగలుగుతామా? వాళ్ళలాగా కాంగ్రీ పట్టుకొని తిరుగుతామా? ఇంట్లో ఒక మూలలో ఫైర్ పెట్టుకుని కూర్చుంటే ఇంకా ఎక్కువ హాట్ అవుతుంది, మనం హీట్ ఫీల్ చేస్తాం మనం. అందుకని అక్కడ వెదర్ ప్రకారం వాళ్ళు బట్టలు వేసుకుంటారు, అక్కడి వెదర్ ప్రకారమే వాళ్ళ ఫుడ్ కూడా ఉంటుందన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ లూజ్ కాటన్ క్లోత్స్ వేసుకుంటాము, కంఫర్టబుల్ ఫీల్ అయ్యే క్లాత్స్ వేసుకుంటాము. ఫుడ్ కూడా వీట్ రైస్, కర్డ్ కంపల్సరీ విచ్ కీప్స్ అస్ కూల్. దే డోంట్ ఈట్ కర్డ్ ఎవ్రీ డే. దిస్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. And their festivals are this, their language is different. So based on the climatic condition of your place, our food habits differ, our clothing differ. If you go to Rajasthan, which is a desert place, what grows there they will eat it. Millets mainly, understand? And they live in the houses which keep them cool. And in Jammu and Kashmir, slopy roof they have, so that the snowfall is common during the winter. When snow falls on their terrace, it has to slide down, కిందికి జారిపోవాలి, అందుకని స్లోపీ టాప్ ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. సో ఇన్ దిస్ వే ద క్లైమేట్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ అవర్ లైఫ్స్. Climate plays a very important role in our lives. Okay, then what is this climate? How this climate is affected? What are the factors that affect the climate, influence the climate? There are some 5 to 6 factors which influence the climate, which we are going to learn. Factors that influence. Influence means affect. Influence the climate. Understand? Means that affect the climate. Factors that affect the climate. What are these factors that affect the climate? I will write their names now and read. Then one by one we will explain them. First, distance from the equator. We learned just now latitudes and longitudes. Distance from the equator. How it affects the climate we will study. Second, direction of winds. Third, altitude. Fourth, distance from the sea. Fifth, ocean currents. Next, humidity and rainfall. Humidity and rainfall. These are the factors which affect the climate of any place. Distance from the equator, Then height above the sea level. This altitude is height of the place above the sea level. Then distance from the sea, direction of winds, humidity and rainfall, ocean currents. These are the factors which affect our climate. So, how can we determine the climate of a place? By studying the factors which affect the climate of a place. What are the factors which determine the climate of a place? Distance from the equator, direction of winds, altitude. Altitude means height of a place above the sea level. How this affects the climate of that place. Distance from the sea, whether the place is near the sea or far away from the sea. Ocean currents. Ocean currents means movement of the waves. Direction of wind. From which direction the wind is blowing. Whether wind is blowing from the place which are very hot, whether the wind is blowing from the over the place which is very cool. All those things will be have. Then distance from the sea. Whether the place is close to the sea or away from the sea. And ocean currents, waves, which tides and waves you observe in the sea, how they affect the place, climate of a place. Humidity and rainfall. What is humidity? Percentage of water vapor in the air is called humidity, which causes rainfall. So humidity and rainfall go hand in hand. They are close to each other. How humidity affects the rainfall and causes rain in the places, making the climate damp. These are the 6 different factors which affect our which affect our climate. How many factors are there? Total 6 factors are affecting the climate of a place, which influence the climate, which decide or determine the climate of a place. What are they? Distance from the sea. Factors that influence the climate of a place are distance from the equator, direction of winds, altitude or height of a place above the sea level, I can say. Distance from the sea, ocean currents, humidity and rainfall. These are the 6 factors which affect the climate of a place. Once again, factors that affect the climate of a place are distance from the equator. How the distance from the equator affects? The places which are very near to the equator, what type of climate they have, and the places which are far away from the equator, what type of climate they have, we are going to study. So, distance from the equator, factors which affect the climate are 6 in number. They are distance from the equator, direction of winds, altitude or height of a place above the sea level, distance from the sea, ocean currents, humidity. These are the 6 factors which affect the climate of a place. So once again, distance from the equator, factors which affect the or influence the climate of a place are distance from the equator, direction of winds, altitude or height of a place above the sea level, distance from the sea, ocean currents and humidity and rainfall. These are the factors which affect the climate of a place. How they affect, I am going to explain you. Understand how the temperature of a place affects the climate. How the distance from the equator, distance of a place from the equator affects. It is out of all this, it is little lengthy topic. Understand? How do they affect the climate of a place is our lesson. Tomorrow I am going to explain each one of them in a detail. How distance from the equator affects, so tomorrow I am going to teach you. And if time permits, others also, or else day after tomorrow. So, how the distance from the equator affects the climate of a place. I am going to teach you tomorrow, and if possible other factors also. So next I am going to explain you these factors in detail. So here I stop. Let us continue tomorrow. Thank you, children.